Okay guys, so I have got this LG dishwasher here, direct drive, and it's showing a code which is CL in the center here. Focus. Yep. So I'll power it on and show you guys. Let's get focus. Okay. As you can see, it's on turbo right now. And if I press any button, let's say I want to start it. It's giving that code. So no matter what I press, it will not change. So what I've learned is that you have to press half and energy save to get it to bypass this, to unlock it. So let's try that. Did you hear that sound? So let's see if we could try this. Here we go. That's it guys. So I always do dual zone and high temp. So there you go, let's try. Awesome. Thanks.